The Media Production Kit handles a variety of scenarios with a high level of production quality in a very easy, highly mobile solution. All of the equipment in our kit is both battery-operated and wireless, making setup a breeze. Not only that, but the production is all handled via an easy-to-use app on the iPad. We have designed the kit with a 3-shot camera approach in mind. This means that you have a primary 4K camera with 2 additional 4K cameras for additional angles if needed. All cameras come with a 14 to 42 millimeter lens for the 10 to 15 foot camera distance. Additionally included is 145 to 175 millimeter lens for flexibility when you need a longer shot. Included in the kit are 4 wireless lavalier microphones, as well as 3 shotgun microphones. The shotgun microphones can be mounted directly to any of the 3 cameras or attached to one of the 3 included boom poles. The lavalier microphones can be clipped directly onto the project participants or be mounted to a handheld attachment. The 4 Bluetooth-based transmitters send the audio feed to the 2 receivers, which allows you to capture the mic audio into any of the camera audio inputs to have separate channels. The mics also allow for redundant local audio recording to their internal USB storage. The kit also includes a viewfinder attachment for the camera to allow for quick attainment of the ideal video shot without having to reference the production app at all times. With any recording, lighting is equally important. So included in the Media Production Kit are 2 dimmable bi-color LED video lights, as well as 2 light bars that are RGB color adjustable. As mentioned, all of our lights are LED based so that their low power needs can be battery operated for maximum flexibility, but also able to be plugged into a standard wall outlet. For the main shot of a standard production, we have also included a high-quality tripod with a teleprompter sled. This means that not only can you capture conversations, but you can also capture script-based content, announcements, etc. by following along with the teleprompter. Whether you're capturing interviews, creating marketing content, recording events, or producing on the go, this kit adapts to the moment and the environment. It's a flexible, easy-to-use solution that empowers your team to produce high-quality content anywhere, anytime, without the complexity traditionally associated with production. Visit profoundtech.com to find out more about our Media Production Kit.